Good afternoon, the professor, senior and junior, college and other audience. I am Lieutenant William from Defense Services Medical Research Center. Now, I would like to present about the effectiveness of seven solution and removal of Malathion cyclovir for residues in cauliflower. This slide shows the outline of this dairy. Fruits and vegetables are an essential in a healthy diet of human body because they contain phytonutrients. Cauliflower contains low fat, high dietary fiber, water, vitamin C, and very high nutritional density. Cauliflower grower has used the pesticide frequently to have the higher yield. In one end, a humid climatic country, the high development and multiplication of best energy or use of pesticide and chemical fertilizer to increase yield variety of crop. The pesticide overdose can cause the residue problem, can cause food and vegetable pollution and can be harmful for human health. Pesticides have very hazardous and lethal effects on organisms as well as human. Depending on the duration of pesticide exposure, can cause acute and chronic effects. Acute effects including straining eye, blister, blindness, dizziness, diarrhea, headache, rash and nausea. Chronic effects can cause cancer, neurotoxicity, genotoxicity, bad effect, infertility, immunotoxicity, and endocrine system disruption. The more common pathway for pesticide to anaerobic, orally, dermally, and inhalation. Oily pesticide exposure may occur by eating without proper hygiene after using pesticide, by consumption of food that have been sprayed with a pesticide. Chlorpyrifos was used to control spoilage and swine-borne insect exposure to spoma or chlorpyrifos can cause runny nose, diarrhea, sweat, headache, nausea, dizziness, and increased fiber. In severe poisoning case, can lead to unquestioned lot of bladder, bowel control, compassion, difficulty breathing, and can cause paralysis. Malathion is widely used for agriculture, residential, and public health purposes, mainly to enhance food productions and to prevent from disease better. The Malathion toxicity, including the numbness, tingling sensation, headache, dizziness, difficulty breathing, weakness, irritation of skin, exacerbation of asthma, abdominal cramps can cause even death. Most people believe that washing vegetables and fruit with water can remove the majority of pesticide and other contaminants from the surface of the vegetables and fruit. However, the technique is inadequate. The removals of more water, immiscibles, or hydrophobic pesticide. There are several methods to remove chlorpyrifos and Malathion in cauliflower by using wash treatment using some acid, hydrostatic pressure process, ozonation, and horizontal surface flow constructed wetland. These methods are difficult to be recommended. Therefore, this study was evaluated the effective techniques of seven cleaning solutions: soda, turmeric, salt, chickpea, flour, vinegar, and rice in removing Malathions and chlorpyrifos residues in cauliflower. General objective to study the effectiveness of seven cleaning solutions on removals of Malathions and chlorpyrifos residues in cauliflower. Specific objective to determine Malathions and chlorpyrifos residues in cauliflower after washing with seven cleaning solution by GCMS. Next, to compare the removing effects of seven cleaning solution on Malathions and chlorpyrifos residues in cauliflower. Study design while laboratory-based analytical study. Study period from May to August 2020. Sampling method, convenience sampling method. 20 cauliflower samples were collected from the farmer in the Dako, Yamuna, Sabudiris, and the other townships. This study was done at Department of Pharmacology Research, DSMRC. The ethical clearance was obtained from Ethical Review Board or DSMRC. This slide shows the chemical used in this study. This slide shows the apparatus and analytical instrument used in this study. Standard solution preparation was done. Firstly, 1000 milligram per liter store standard solution, and then diluted to 5 different working standard solution. The calibration cuts were constructed with P area basal concentration is standard solution. This table shows the gas chromatography condition, and this table shows the MS condition. This table shows the detail for the preparation of different cleaning solution. This project shows the preparation of Malathion cyclopyrifos for pollutions or spike in cauliflower. This flowchart shows the sample extraction and the procedure detail. This figure shows the GCMR machine process. This figure shows overlay chromatograms of Malathion 80 minutes and cyclopyrifos for 85 minutes with different concentration. This figure shows the mass fragmentation of Malathion mass ion 93 and cyclopyrifos mass ion 29. This figure shows the chromatograph for Malathion cyclopyrifos and in the sample. This table shows the concentration of Malathion cyclopyrifos after washing with different 7 cleaning solution. All solution had different cleaning property with value less than 0.0001. This graph shows the comparisons of the removing effects of 7 cleaning solution on Malathion and cyclopyrifos residues in cauliflower. Among the different solution, so solution is the best removing effect compared to other solution for the removings of Malathion cyclopyrifos in cauliflower. Discussion: the effectiveness of 7 cleaning solution was determined based on their removing effect of Malathion cyclopyrifos in cauliflower. All 7 solutions had to significantly reduce the effects of Malathion in cauliflower compared to tap water. Only 6 solution has significantly removed the cyclopyrifos in cauliflower and not significantly removed by the turmeric solution. Based on other study, the turmeric solution contains 2 types of volatile ingredients such as furan derivatives 44.4%, carboxylic acid 38.2%, which contribute to the acidity of turmeric juice. Cyclopyrifos degradation is very slow in acidic medium. The more acids of the solution react with the cyclopyrifos, therefore the slow degradation of cyclopyrifos. In this study, so solution had very strongly removing effect based on the removals of Malathion cyclopyrifos residue in cauliflower. The strongly removing effect of salt solution may be due to a basis and osmosis property. This property can remove the residue cyclopyrifos from the cauliflower into salt solution or out of the cauliflower. All solution have different removing property due to their different chemical constituents. Removing effect on both Malathion cyclopyrifos and cauliflower, salt solution is the best compared to other solution. Moreover, salt is the cheaper, really accessible, reliable, necessary ingredient every kitchen or the home. The removing effects of pesticide residue is dependent on solubility, physical, chemical, and nature of pesticide residue. The removing effect were ordered from the strongly to little remove, and as a solution should be right, vinegar, flour, soda, and turmeric solution. At 2013, Yushan et al. Studied that soda salt had very strongly removing effect on male pesticide residues such as cyhalothrin, dicophos, and dimethorate. The removing rate also soda salt solution and over pesticide residue were very excellent results, which were 32.5 for dimethorate, 26.9 for dicophos, 44.4 for cyhalothrin. Conclusion: 7 cleaning solution has significant removing effects of Malathion in cauliflower. However, among 7 solution, only salt solution has shown very strongly removing the effects of cyclopyrifos in cauliflower. Therefore, salt solution is the best effective solution to remove Malathion and cyclopyrifos in cauliflower compared to other 6 solutions. Moreover, salt solution can be easily made in irrigation at home for routine use. Therefore, this study suggests that public consumers and soldiers and military persons can prevent Malathion cyclopyrifos residue contamination in cauliflower and the consequences of the pesticide residue related and negative effect by using salt solution. The references of this study represent. Thank you so much for your kind attention.